What would happen if a candle could talk and only lit up when someone felt gratitude? By the end of this story, you'll discover a lesson you'll never forget. In a forgotten corner of Grandma Clara's workshop, there was a blue wax candle with sparkling eyes and a wick that had never been lit. The candle was named Luma, and although surrounded by old objects, her greatest wish was to illuminate, shine, and be part of a special story. But Luma had a condition. She could only light up when someone around her felt sincere gratitude. Words alone weren't enough. It had to be real. One day, a little mouse named Tillo, wearing a yellow scarf, entered the workshop seeking shelter from the rain. He was soaked and shivering from a cold. Tillo found an empty box near Luma and curled up inside. His teeth chattered as he looked at all the dusty objects. "I wish there was a bit of light," the mouse whispered. At that moment, Luma wished more than ever to help him, but gratitude still didn't fill the air. The next morning, Grandma Clara arrived at the workshop. Seeing Tillo, she offered him a small blanket, bread with honey, and a warm smile. The mouse, surprised, dried his tears and said, "Thank you. No one has ever taken care of me like this." His voice trembled, but his heart shone. And then it happened. Luma felt a warmth rise through her wick. In a soft flash, she lit up for the first time, filling the workshop with a golden light. Clara stepped back, amazed. "Who lit this candle?" she asked. Tillo smiled. "Maybe it was my grateful heart." From that day on, Luma lit up whenever someone felt true gratitude, creating a glow that vibrated the walls of the workshop. Children from the village came to tell stories to Luma, try to light her with empty words, but she never shone for falsehood. Only when someone said, "Thank you," with their soul did her flame dance, as if singing a secret and joyful melody. One day, a dark figure entered the workshop, a crow named Bronco, with shiny plumage and eyes like extinguished coals. "I've heard about this magical candle," he said. "I want to light it." Tillo watched him warily, noticing the ambition in his gaze. Bronco offered compliments to Clara, pretended to cry, and invented stories of abandonment. But Luma remained cold, without a single flicker. Frustrated, the crow slammed the table, causing Tillo's box to fall to the floor. "This is all a scam," he shouted. Tillo approached Bronco and said softly, "Gratitude isn't faked, it's felt." But the crow just snorted and left. That night, Clara was alone in the workshop. She looked at Luma and said, "Thank you for reminding me that there is still magic in pure hearts." Luma lit up with a flame so intense that it illuminated even the village sky, as if the stars recognized her. But the next day, the candle began to slowly extinguish. Something in the air had changed. No one was coming. No one was thanking. Tillo decided to go in search of forgotten hearts, of beings who had lost the ability to say thank you truthfully. He traveled through fields, crossed rivers, slept under huge leaves, listening to stories of lonely children, forgotten elders, and wounded birds. In every place where he left a kind word, someone began to feel gratitude again. And in the distance, Luma lit up once more. Tillo then understood that Luma was not just a candle, but the reflection of all the sincere sparks he ignited in others. He decided not to return to the workshop, but to become a sower of gratitude, bringing light without fire and igniting invisible flames. Years passed, and the story of the candle that shone with gratitude became a legend. Children told it by the fire. But few knew that Tillo still walked the world with his yellow scarf, bright eyes, and a heart ready to listen. And somewhere far away, the candle Luma still waits, knowing that there is always someone about to say thank you for real. Moral: sincere gratitude has the power to light up places where you least expect it, even in the most forgotten corners of the heart. See you very soon with more magical tales that will make your imagination soar and touch your heart in every adventure.